so much, sir, and Ghani Khamba to you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to now announce the Scotch Governance Award bestowed on various government organizations for their outstanding projects. And before I announce the names of recipients, I request Mr. Deepak Dalal from Scotch to kindly join, sir, to give away the awards. Mr. Deepak Dalal from Scotch. Ladies and gentlemen, in this we have 3 silver awards to give away. I announce the name of organization, Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha, and the project is Upper Indravati Lift Canal Project, and the recipient, Mr. Mukul Chandra Behra, Engineer-in-Chief cum Special Secretary. I request Mr. Mukulji to kindly come on the stage and receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha, and the project is Upper Indravati Lift Canal Project. Ladies and gentlemen, the next organization is Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha again, and the project is Mahanandi Chitrotpala Island Irrigation Project, and again Mr. Mukul Chandra Behra is receiving this award, Engineer-in-Chief cum Special Secretary. And we request him to stay here as we are announcing another award, Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha. And the project is construction of check dams under the scheme METI 2.0. Mr. Mukul Chandra Behra is receiving this award without any applauses, ladies and gentlemen. This is not done. The 3 awards back to back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are moving to Scotch Governance Award in Gold. And the organization is Behrampur Municipal Corporation. Project is Arogyam. And recipient, Mr. Lambodari Digal, City Program Manager. I request Mr. Lambodari Digal to kindly be on the stage and receive this award. Behrampur Municipal Corporation, and the project is Arogyam, receiving Gold Scotch Governance Award. Ladies and gentlemen, now I announce organization Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation, and the project is Safa Bhubaneswar, and the recipient Mrs. Sulochana Das, Mayor. I request Mrs. Sulochana Das to kindly be on the stage. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining. I request you to kindly be on the stage and receive this award. Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation and project for which they are receiving the award is Safa Bhubaneswar. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Scotch Governance Award Gold.
My team member is here, so I would like to invite all my team members to participate here. Yeah, please come. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Scotch Group, for this wonderful honor. Thank you so much for adding another feather in our cap. Yesterday, actually, I am happy to say that our city has declared best smart city in the eastern region, and today this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and congratulations to the team. Next, Commissionerate of Cottage and Rural Industry, CCI, Government of Gujarat, and the project is Hastkala Setu Yojana. I invite Mr. D.M. Shukla, Executive Director, to kindly be on the stage and receive this award. Sir, we take a moment, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Department of Animal Husbandry, Government of Uttar Pradesh, and the project is Control and Containment of Lumpy Skin Disease in Cattle. May I invite Dr. Indramani, Director, to receive this award. This is Scotch Governance Award Gold.
Hello. On behalf of my department, my minister, my ACS, Dr. Dubey, my special secretary, and my para-veterinary or veterinary staff, I lot of thanks to Dr. Kochar, Mr. Kochar.
Not yet, doctor.
Yes,
Mr.
Mr. Kochar and his टीम. मैं पुनः एक बार धन्यवाद इसलिए देना चाहूँगा कि 1,90,00,000 गायों की सुरक्षा कर करके हम लोगों ने उनकी सुरक्षा की थी. उस सुरक्षा को इन्होंने देखा और इन्होंने सोचा कि हाँ, यह टीम गोल्ड अवार्ड देने लायक है और इन्होंने दिया. इसके लिए उन गायों की तरफ से, उन पशुपालकों की तरफ से और विभाग की तरफ से पुनः एक बार हार्दिक धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, sir.
सबसे ज़्यादा अनपढ़ आदमी हूँ अवार्ड देने वाला. मैं तो फॉर्मल एजुकेशन मेरी सिर्फ 12th तक हुई थी, उसके बाद कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस से बीकॉम में 3rd डिवीज़न आई थी. पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं की तो अवार्ड देना शुरू कर दिया.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Sameer Kochar, Chairman Scotch, a man who actually need no introduction. Commissionerate of Cottage and Rural Industry CCI, Government of Gujarat. Project is Hastkala Setu Yojana and the recipient Mr. D.M. Shukla, Executive Director. Sir, I welcome you on the stage and request you to kindly receive your award. This award is for Scotch Governance in Gold.
आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मैं दीपक शुक्ला हूँ. गुजरात गवर्नमेंट में कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज़ में एक बदलाव के दौर पर एक स्कीम हमने प्रोजेक्ट लिया हुआ था. आप जानते हैं कि बहुत ही छोटे छोटे गांव में जो आर्टिजन्स काम करते हैं वो अपने पुरखों की जो कला है, वंश परंपरागत कला है, वो कला से वो वहाँ छूट रहे हैं, वो छोड़कर दूसरे काम में जा रहे हैं. उसको कैसे वहाँ लगाया जाए, उसको कैसे सस्टेनेबल बनाया जाए और कैसे उसको वहाँ ही उसकी कला में और निखार आए, उसको डिज़ाइन का सपोर्ट मिले, उसको मार्केटिंग सपोर्ट मिले, उसको ऑनलाइन मार्केटिंग का भी सपोर्ट मिले. तो हस्तकला सेतु करके एक प्रोजेक्ट हमने लिया था और हमारे साथ जो पार्टनर्स थे वो EDII, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया, ये प्रोजेक्ट कर रही थी. डॉक्टर सत्यारंजन आचार्य भी यहाँ है. मैं आप सबको स्कॉच की टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि आपने हमारे इस प्रयास को सराहा है और उसको स्वीकृति दी है. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज़ के हमारे माननीय मंत्री श्री, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री, हमारे सेक्रेटरी श्री प्रवीण सोलंकी साहब, जिन्होंने ये प्रोजेक्ट आपके समक्ष प्रेजेंट किया था, और उनकी तरफ से मैं ये अवार्ड स्वीकार करता हूं और आपने हमें स्वीकृति दी, इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha, and the project is dredging of river mouth. I request once again Mr. Mukul Chandra Behera, Engineer-in-Chief, cum Special Secretary, to kindly join us and receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, with your round of ovation, can we have a little of noise here? Thank you so much.
I must say that I am here on behalf of our DC cum ACS ma'am, Development Commissioner, cum Additional Chief Secretary Water Resources, Anu Gog ma'am, who was supposed to be here for receiving these awards and who is really spearheading water resources sector in Odisha for all these successful programs. Really, I am thankful to her and I am thankful to the Scotch Group.
I request you to kindly stay, sir, as there is one more. Sir, Mr. Mukul Chandra Behera ji, I request you to kindly stay with us. Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha, and the project for which now they are receiving the award for Scotch Governance Award in Gold is Lower Indra Irrigation Project. Thank you so much, Mr. Mukul Chandra Behra. Ladies and gentlemen, the next is District Administration, Burhanpur, and the project is Eradication of Malnutrition in Children. And to receive this award, I request Mr. Suman Kumar Pillai, District Program Officer, to receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Suman Kumar Pillai, District Program Officer, receiving award for Eradication of Malnutrition in Children, District Administration, Burhanpur.
On behalf of Ms. Bhavya Mittal, Collector and District Magistrate, Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh, I would like to thank Scotch Group and Mr. Sameer Kochar. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. The next is District Administration, Saraswati, and the project is Sustainable Livelihoods through SHGs. I request Ms. Kritika Sharma. Mr. Kshitij is here to receive the award. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Kshitij receiving Scotch Governance Award Gold for Sustainable Livelihood through SHGs. This is the name of project.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Kshitij MGN of Shravasti. I am here on the behalf of District Magistrate of Shravasti. I'd like to thank Scotch Group for recognizing the efforts of our team. This award is a testament to the tireless groundwork done by our team, be it हमारे समूह की दीदियाँ, BC सखी, हमारे BMMs and the district officials who are working tirelessly on the ground to make it impactful, to generate livelihood for the people. And I'm happy to share that, sir, today we have village organizations that was set up a year back, and now they are generating around 10 lakhs revenue per month, per year on the basis, and they are generating livelihood for 500 plus families. So thank you very much, sir, and pleasure.
Thank you so much, sir. And the next organization who is receiving Scotch Governance Award in Gold is Jammu Kashmir Rural Livelihood Mission, and their project is Umeed. I request Ms. Indu Kanwal-Chip, Mission Director, to kindly come on the stage and receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Indu Kanwal-Chip, Mission Director, receiving award for Project Umeed, Jammu Kashmir Rural Livelihood Mission.
Jai Hind. This award, sir, 1 year back we never would have imagined. हमें एक साल लग गया और ऑनरेबल LG मनोज सिन्हा जी का मैं देख रही हूँ इस पूरे हॉल में बहुत सारे स्टेट्स बहुत ज़्यादा अवार्ड्स ले रहे हैं और जम्मू कश्मीर जो है वो उसका अकेला अवार्ड है, बट आई एम श्योर ये आने वाले सालों में बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर होगा. और आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक एवरी वुमन ऑफ माई JKRLM टीम. मैं ये जो अवार्ड एक्सेप्ट कर रही हूँ ये पूरी जम्मू कश्मीर रूरल लाइवलीहुड मिशन की तरफ से एक्सेप्ट कर रही हूँ, हमारी हर एक बहन जो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप में जुड़ी है. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, ma'am, and Jai Istri Sashaktikaran. The next organization is the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, and the project is the Bharat Darshan Park Waste to Wonder Park. And to receive this award, I request Dr. Alok Singh, Director of Chief Horticulture, MCD, to kindly come on the stage and receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Alok Singh, Director in Chief Horticulture, MCD, receiving this award for the Bharat Darshan Park Waste to Wonder Park project by Municipal Corporation of Delhi. Let's have a huge round of applause for Delhi, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, for Scotch Governance Award in Gold, Odisha PVTG Empowerment and Livelihoods Improvement Program, and the project is Odisha PVTG Nutrition Improvement Program OPNIP, and the recipient is Mr. P. Arthanari, Program Director. Sir, we welcome you on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, this project is Odisha PVTG Nutrition Improvement Program, OPNIP, and the organization is Odisha PVTG Empowerment and Livelihoods Improvement Program. Ladies and gentlemen, such wonderful portrait on stage. Let's have a huge round of applause for once again.
I thank wholeheartedly for Scotch Group for recognizing this award. Our main purpose is like we are working for a last mile community, the primitive tribes, and this is the first time that Odisha has initiated such program for nutrition and health, and we hope that this visibility will enlarge, and all the 18 states and 1 union territory where PTGs are living, there such kind of programs will be escalated. Thanks a lot. We also inspired Government of India to launch a program called PM PVTG Mission. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Pleasure.
Thank you so much, and now it's time to announce the Scotch Governance Platinum Award. Department of Water Resources, Government of Odisha, and the project is Poteru Irrigation Project Bali Mela, and the recipient is, yes, of course, none other than Mr. Mukul Chandra Behra, Engineer-in-Chief, cum Special Secretary, is receiving this award. Ladies and gentlemen, this is commendable. और इसी के साथ हमारे स्कॉच गवर्नेंस अवार्ड के जितने भी अवार्डीज़ हैं उन सब से हम निवेदन करेंगे कि कृपया एक बार फिर से आप मंच पर आएँ और आप सबके साथ हम एक चित्र संयोजन ज़रूर करना चाहेंगे. लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, फॉर द अवार्डीज़ आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द अवार्डीज़ फॉर दिस कैटेगरी टू काइंडली बी ऑन द स्टेज एंड सो दैट वी कैन हैव अ ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ विद यू. स्कॉच गवर्नेंस अवार्ड प्लैटिनम, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. आप सबको बता दें कि आपके जो अवार्ड्स हैं उसको बहुत ही तरीके से, बहुत ही अच्छे से, बहुत ही सम्मान के साथ पैक किया जा रहा है और उसको आप गेट के सामने जो आप डेस्क देख रहे हैं वहाँ से आप कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we conclude 94th Scotch Summit. Please join me in rousing round of ovation for all the Scotch Awardees 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, हम लोग यहाँ पर जितने हैं उससे ज़्यादा तालियों की गूंज हमें सुनाई देनी चाहिए. Let's have a huge round of applause once again. Thank you so much. And I really feel honored to be in front of such great personalities and dignitaries. Thank you so much for joining and thank you so much for your valuable presence once again. आप सभी का धन्यवाद करते हुए हम आप सभी को प्रीति भोज के लिए आमंत्रित करते हैं. Request all of you to kindly proceed to Deputy Speaker Hall for lunch. नमस्कार, आप सभी का आभार. जय हिंद.